By default version 6 and newer of Chromperfect does not show the operator field in the download form. This support video details how to activate this field so it is always displayed. In earlier versions of Chromperfect, the operator field was always displayed in the download screen, allowing the operator name to be displayed. In version 6 of the software, this field was not displayed by default. To show the operator a setting must be changed in the System main menu option. 1. Click System in the Chromperfect main menu or start bar. 2. Click the System menu option in the pull-down menu. 3. Click Misc menu option. 4. Click the Share Acquisition Client among multiple operators checkbox. 5. If needed, click the optional Operators Names button. 6. Complete the secondary form by inserting operators' details. 7. Save the changes. 8. Restart Chromperfect. If the checkbox is not checked, then the operator field always contains the user's full, not log on, name. The field does not appear at download time. If the checkbox is checked, then the operator field may be set at download time. The field appears in the download form as a combo box. In its simplest form, the user is free to supply any operator name, but if desired, a number of operator names may be suggested in Step 5 above.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more chromatography training content. You might also want to follow Chromperfect on Facebook and Twitter. There will be links in the description below.